لهم تقاط أنهم سلام كتلو سمونا تسفاينا أمورا ما عندك بفلي زبالة تحسنا مسيناكم زلنا مسدكي تريوم أنهم بيمانين متقامين تغندي لما عندي تدالي زلقن بيماني زلو مالتي حابن مالتك ليو حابن لما عندي قعدكم مهرئ قعد كسرحي خابزيرة تبقيسا أي فلتاني قعدكم مهرئ مساهم كوينة أنا كم ممهر وسخاخم تمهاراي so I'm going to teach him today قعد أبن كاني من مهانو دي حدا دي تفلطوهم من أربعة حدش تتليهم مالتين بر مبزحتهم تفلطوهم حابن كاني بعلو انتاي كم سرح بعلو خنقراكم يوم there you go.
Salam Nahando, my name is Haben. You know, I'm here with Gebar and MamaGebar, and we're about to cook some gat.
Gat. Yeah, you guys heard it, man. لما عندي قعدت ماما جبت مريان Haben. أنا كم cameraman كهنا كحجوزة أوروب كأهني. Kamei, how do you feel right now? Have you ever made gat before?
I've never made it, but I've tried it and it's really good, so I'm excited.
What does it look like?
To me, it looked like a volcano.
Yeah, so today, that's what we're gonna make. And MamaGebar is gonna be the teacher, like Chef Gordon Ramsay, you know what I'm saying? You have to be ready, you know? Like, MamaGebar really gonna teach you.
But the judge?
She's gonna judge, she's gonna taste it.
Yeah.
She's gonna try it, and make sure it's good.
I'm gonna give you a number.
Yeah, out of 10.
Yeah.
So,
making me nervous.
Yeah, so you ready?
Don't be nervous.
Alright, if you guys are ready, up to comment تحافوا كمي كم زهون حابن كعسرته سكاب حدا تبودو حمادي هون تحافوا لنا هجي هنجمع.
I'm so excited. حابن ودي لما عندي قاعد كسرح لممتو I'm so happy. السهمون مساكمكم كسرحوا تدري نجار نحداها لي welcome to MamaGebar kitchen. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Let's get it.
First, this tea. Pan. We're gonna make ready here before turn off the heat. So we're gonna put water. Put water.
How much?
So I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, you gotta tell me when to stop.
Yeah. We're gonna make just go over the halfway. Enough. Yeah. So it's enough. Then.
Bro, turn it up.
No, it's okay. Sometimes, yeah. Put in the, yeah. It's okay. You can't put high.
High?
Until
High,
the
okay.
water's
Boils?
boils, yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you. I have a question.
Alright.
So, you went to Eritrea, right?
Yes.
How long?
We were there for a month. 1 month.
For 1 month.
Yeah.
In Eritrea.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, 1 month. So, what did you eat? What did you? The first questions. What did you? Your favorite food in Eritrea?
I had a lot of favorite foods. So one of the best ones was the panino.
Panino. Wow.
Ate it every morning.
Even the name.
Perfect panino.
Even the name is very perfect. Panino. Wow. You practice every day panino.
Yes, it was amazing.
Wow.
Very good.
So paninos for
قلع عينت. قلع عينت.
Line it.
In 1 month, how many words you learn in our language?
I think 10.
10?
I think so.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Salam Dahando.
Salam, Dahando, 2.
Pit. Yeah, that was my favorite.
Okay. Pet, 3.
And then Boon.
Boon?
Yeah, Boon.
Wow,
Every
Boon.
night too. Panino.
Panino, 5. Wow.
Shikorina.
Wow. Wow. 6. Chocorina, wow.
I knew guy and girl, but I forget. Menshimki.
Menshiki,
or
wow.
Yeah.
Menshimka.
Yeah.
Menshimka, wow.
Yeah.
Woo, 7. Wow.
I think I knew one more.
How about the food?
Oh, food?
Some food, yeah.
Oh, Belis. Yeah.
Belis.
Forget about Belis.
That's right.
Yeah, can't forget about
That's
Yeah.
right. That's number one, right?
Yeah, number one.
Especially for your
Yeah.
brother.
Favorite.
Yeah, so.
Oh.
That's
There's
good.
9.
You got one more.
Injera, I think.
Oh, yeah, that's the one. I love it.
Yeah. What's your Eritrean name?
Haben.
Haben.
Haven, yes.
Habanero.
Yeah, Haven. So
Okay.
I'm calling him Haven because he getting new name from Eritrea.
Yeah.
So we're gonna call you when you go to Eritrea again. They're gonna call you Haven.
Yeah. What does Haben mean? Do you know?
Haven.
Hold up. Do you know what Haben means?
I think she told me like hope or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something.
Yeah.
Happy and hope
Bright,
and
yeah.
Hope, good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's he gets very good name.
Yeah.
And then all the time when I go to back home, you know, my sister neighbors and everybody they ask me, how's Haven? They never say your name over there. Everybody they say, how's Haven? When he's coming, especially the kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're very nice.
Everybody. So they asking me, where's Haven? When he's coming? So then I told them one day.
Yeah. Coming soon.
Coming
Yeah.
soon, yeah? Oh, okay.
We finna be back in Eritrea soon.
I want to go back. I really like it. I loved it out there.
Oh,
We're gonna go back.
thank
I had a
you.
good time.
Oh, nice, yeah. Go back,
It's a
yeah.
very beautiful country. So.
Mainanda Felhai Karibu. It's almost ready, the water. So we're gonna use today this one's for Ga'at. This one. If you want, you guys, you can buy from my website. This Ga'at, this flour, barley flour. They make ready, you know, salad process to get ready.
Okay.
This for Ga'at. And after this, we're gonna use berbere. MamaGebar. If you want,
The
go
best.
to my website. Yeah, MamaGebar. You can mirchahum. Mirchahum, yeah. Choice, you know, choose MamaGebar. That means, that sound right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Asmi, this MamaGebar Asmi is the best. Yeah.
The best
You like it?
in the world.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah. So you go to gym every day, right?
Yes.
So you have very good muscle.
A little bit.
No, you have good muscle. You have to use for the guard, you know. If you're not making good with the muscle, the guard, you're not man.
Oh.
Just kidding.
But I'm not.
So before you start, put the heat medium. A little bit more from the heat. Enough. Now the water's is good, you know. It's boiling. So we're gonna put the salt. Yeah.
Salt Bay.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
Style.
One full spoon.
Let's see. No. Put more. More.
More.
Yeah.
A lot
Because
more.
a lot of water.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Oh.
It's okay. Don't worry.
party foul.
No, it's okay.
More?
Just more. Yeah. More.
I'm a rookie.
More. Now we're gonna use the mohos. This one's called mohos for God.
Mohos.
Special. Use this like this, and then
There?
start from the inside here, then non-stop just making God. Mix it, everything to mix it. Let us see. I think we need more flour, I think. So add one foot, yeah. Because it's very soft. Nice. It's gonna good now. Nice.
Okay.
Now,
Oh, yeah, now it's good.
now show me your muscle now. Just mix it and then mix it like very like.
Makes it like a man.
Yeah.
Use the
Okay.
muscle.
Don't be weak. Oh, nice, yeah. Oh, nice, yeah. Mix it, everything. That,
Oh yeah, that's burning.
Ankoran, yeah, very good. Wow. And then I want to show you one trick. Then when you do like
Sweating.
this, oh, sorry. When you do like this, now just turn everything and then together, and then do like this, and then like this. Do it. You see me, right?
Yeah, learn the trick.
Yeah. Just do. Nice. Wow. Good job. Have it. Go. زغل ما سل سؤال كادي. كنت قال خون ما سل تسكين كاسي. نزيادة تطوع. I guess that I couldn't. Oh, yeah.
Keep going.
لحق قبله. Woo. Good job, Haben. Wow. تنفعصوا. Good job, Haben. Good job. Woo.
Smells good. Galine it.
قلعينت. Yeah, smells good.
Yeah.
You know, سجم كقعد كله جزام اللي تياتشون.
Oh, I'm sweating. Give me a second.
إيه.
1 second.
يا هنجا. والله قصم مسكا.
Tired.
واي. نازي عسي تقول قصم تقول ماسة. نازي عدو تقول باتينكا. See, MamaGebar كماني.
Oh, he's strong.
See? No.
I see
No.
it. I
Like
can
this.
do it.
Sunday, special for breakfast. This one.
Okay.
And our culture back home, you know, Sabai is working hard. Every day go to work, you know. The wife, she wake up before his wake up, and she's make ready,
Yeah.
go out, and then when he's ready, he eat, go out, and then he go work. And then the whole day he's not hungry.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah. When it's ready, it's not ready, it's sticking in your finger.
Oh.
It's ready, it's not stick. Nothing.
Oh.
See?
Yeah.
It's not ready, it's gonna be
Sticky.
Sticky, yeah.
Okay.
Now it's ready.
Try it. Let him try it.
Try it, yeah, try. Yeah. Try it. Try. It's not ready. Ready, yeah. See? Clean. Yeah.
Where's my finger?
Oh, it's ready. The god's ready. Put in the
bowl?
The bowl. Yes.
Everything?
Everything. Yeah, the whole thing. Put the whole thing. Nice. Yeah. Then now, and then put the thing like you know, circle like this. You know.
Yeah. First, make a ball. Make this
a
into a
ball?
ball, like a soccer ball.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Make it.
Yeah.
It's
Use.
hot, it's
Yeah.
hot,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
no, our culture we do first.
Like
See?
Play-Doh.
See? Make it like this. You know, I'll
Okay.
show you something. You know? Just almost.
There you go.
Nice. Oh, very good. There you go. Nice. Wow. Just make nicely. Then just fix it. Wow. Very good. Very good.
Make a donut.
Yeah. Yeah, very good, Haben. So, you know, like, I don't believe it. My goodness, you make very good God. So now, put the asmi. Asmi mallet, the MamaGebar butter.
In the middle?
No middle, yes.
Or
yes.
around?
No, yes. No, the whole thing, like
Everything?
used like. Oh yeah, enough. Nice. Now we're gonna use MamaGebar berbere.
Berbere.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. More, little more. More. Yeah, more. Yes. Mix it a bit slowly. Yeah, it's good. Wow, very good. Have it. Put the rug on the side. Put more. Nice. Good job. Ooh. Sour cream is very good. It's going with the God. It's okay. It's with the inside the barbare. Wow. Nice. Wow. Very nice, having it.
Guys, so we finally finished gat, and we're gonna have MamaGebar try it and give me a rating. Kind of nervous, but we'll see how it goes.
Don't be nervous. You did a great job.
Thank you.
I ain't gonna lie, man. This look good.
حابن وخمسة أخمو قعدت على جدا فلان بتي ما صرت تقيم لي ناي بحكي سقاب سود زخون ناي بحكي he did great job, you know. I'm so happy, Haben. You did good job. Wow.
Yeah.
It's first time. He never see, he never eat, he never try, right?
No,
This
not
first
yet.
time.
I just seen it in pictures.
In
He
picture
showed a
only,
yeah.
only picture like that.
Yeah.
But
I haven't tried yet.
you did great job. So we're gonna try. MamaGebar, she's gonna try first because I'm gonna give him number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
let's do it.
yeah, I can't wait. So غدا بلو طعمه أنا حابة قعد.
Yeah. I'm excited to try it, you know?
Yeah,
Amanti.
I'm so excited.
MamaGebar
Try
too.
too. Yeah.
So you get them little bit of that,
Oh, yeah.
a little bit of that, dip in there.
Yeah, see, with the barbarino come with the very good, you know. And then put some sour cream, just
Yeah.
like
Honest
that.
reaction, guy.
Yeah, honest,
Live
yeah.
reaction.
Yeah, come عسرت كم حارس عسرت.
Yeah, نايبة حكي, yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Oh my God, I can't stop.
No,
I
you're
can't.
sugarcoating it.
No.
كم عسرت عندك?
My goodness.
Out of 10.
No, I can't give him 50.
She's sugarcoating.
So good.
It's okay. MamaGebar is very nice. You know she.
No.
Wow.
Try it.
Okay,
go.
I'm gonna try it right now.
Try it, yeah.
I'm gonna rate
Just
it
give him,
exactly.
yeah.
نبغى حق خذنا
Me?
لقمة.
Yeah, نقرب نايم
عسرت
حكي.
عندك بيوصل.
أنا عصرت حدا.
Okay.
11. I
she
give
gave
him
you
11.
11 out of 10.
Yes.
I'm
yeah.
gonna try it. You know.
Try it, but.
Alright, so we're gonna try it right now.
So far, so
Try
good.
it, yeah.
Hold up, we're gonna see.
So good.
Now you try it. While I'm trying it, you're gonna try it too. So
So
get
I'm
some of
gonna
this.
eat. Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's so good. My goodness.
Get this.
Good job.
Adam balu?
Yeah. Adam balu.
Go ahead, eat it.
Try. Yeah. Huh.
قلع عن يد صبوت يا. جين. شو وحدة تعرف. ما يبونك.
Chocolate photos.
خبلي خلاص.
No, chocolate. صار جو وحدة.
No, خبلي. Okay, so how do you feel about it?
It's good.
What is it missing or what is not missing?
Well, I never tried it before, so I don't know what to compare it to, but
But you think
me
it's
personally,
But he
I
said
like it.
less
you like
salt.
it? I say
He
it,
said
it has, doesn't
less
have
salt.
good salt. It has
Oh, you
too-
need more
But-
salt?
Yeah.
No,
I think-
that's
Or
good.
less salt?
For
More
me,
salt.
good.
More salt.
No, for me, very good.
I say more salt.
Because the gaan is enough salt for me. He likes salt. I think that's why.
Nice salty.
He likes salt, yeah. Me,
Yeah.
my,
Again, when you put the butter, when you add the butter, it makes the salt like,
yeah,
you know,
it's come with
cancel
the,
out. Yeah.
yeah, with the burger.
So go ahead, take another one, but get like go deep inside the
Deep,
gat.
yeah.
So you get like the butter in there
The butter.
instead of just the butter. There you go. Damn, you broke the volcano. You're supposed to go underneath it right here. You're supposed to go underneath. It's okay, it's okay. Go deep, go deep, like go all the way deep. Grab like some of the butter in there.
Burger.
Yeah. There you go.
Alright.
And now like put your hand or use
Until-
this.
until-
Use this. Okay, use this.
Yeah.
So you don't spill.
Yeah.
And then try it.
Uh-huh.
See how that tastes.
So good.
Mm.
Huh. But different.
So good, right? With the berberes come like the taste is come
Inside of
with
it,
that.
the juiciest one.
Well, that's it, way different.
Yeah,
Yeah,
when you eat, I'm gonna teach you.
First one I did.
You get the better. You gotta get the
Yeah,
better.
yeah.
Ooh,
When
it's a little
it-
spicy.
Yeah, when you eat Haben, when you eat our culture, we eat like 5 people, 6 people, until 8 people. You know, sometimes they make very big. You know, when
But you have to eat like on the side only. You feel me? Like so that
you eat like
break.
it doesn't break. Yeah.
no break. Like you have to eat like.
Tell me that.
No, I want to teach you before you go to Asmara again, to Eritrea again. So
They're gonna judge me?
Yeah, I don't want to judge you people. You eat in the bottom, like
Yeah.
the bottom.
So when is it? When do you eat?
When it's
the
done,
middle?
like the last person
Last
can
bites?
eat it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you can break it off and then mix it up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So you
Yeah,
gotta-
eat it,
Yeah.
guys.
One more bite?
Please. Yeah.
Get a good bite now.
Good.
It's a butty. Like good bite. Get some of the better. Get some the sour cream.
Sour cream, yeah.
Yeah.
So good.
But
Because the butter, because everything's from
yeah,
Mama
go mix
Gebar.
that all the way deep in there.
Berbera, deep it.
There you go. Now you can get more of that.
More
There you
better.
go.
Nice, yeah.
Even that's not
It's
enough.
okay. Yeah. That's good.
That's bad enough?
That's not,
I need more?
It's enough.
Mix
It's
it up
enough.
more.
No.
Good,
It's
good,
I
good.
think it's spicy for him.
Yeah.
I
Good
like
bite.
That's good. Yeah.
Last bite right here. Look. Wow, last bite of Haben. Haben got right here.
Yeah, haven't got, yeah. So good. Very good, yeah.
Good shit.
Good chef, yeah. Good job. Woo, very nice.
Yeah. We're gonna have different people too. This is
And, yeah.
How talking up to now?
You're right.
We're gonna teach them.
Yeah.
Like
Because
different people,
yeah.
different guests.
Yeah.
Like they're gonna be cooking with MamaGebar.
MamaGebar, yeah.
Yep.
So, but إذا قعدت كم زازر أخوما بطعمي صبغتن طعمتن نيرا. He did very good job. It's good everything, right?
Yes,
It's
big.
from MamaGebar. Everything.
Let them know where to subscribe, comment, where they can find their website.
Everything.
You know, subscribe, comment, find all the products that you just saw today in this
Yeah.
video.
Yeah.
MamaGebar.
Try it. Yeah.
That's
Yeah. كل الزراعة هم لما عندي كاويو order قبرو support قبرو عن MamaGebar. Thank you for everything. كالي جزء بخالة حساس قام نراقب سلامة عنا انقسانة النعهم.
Ciao.